In this video, I'll guide you through how to compare search terms on Google Trends. This is really helpful if you're trying to understand which topics are more popular, how interest changes over time, or which keyword might be better for content, marketing, or research. Let's start at the very beginning. First, open your web browser and go to trends.google.com. This is the official Google Trends homepage. You don't need an account to use it, and it's completely free. Once the page loads, you'll see a search bar near the top and some examples of trending topics below. For now, we're going to focus on that search bar. Today, I'll show you how to search your first keyword. Click into the search box and type in a term you want to analyze. This could be anything like a product name, a topic, or a phrase you're considering for a blog post or ad campaign. Try to start with a clear, simple term so it's easy to see the difference when we compare it with another one. After you've typed in your keyword, press enter on your keyboard. Google Trends will now take you to the Explore page for that specific search term. On this Explore page, you'll see a line graph and several filters across the top, like location, time range, category, and type of search, such as web search or YouTube search. For now, just take a moment to get familiar with the layout. This is where you'll compare search terms side by side. In this video, you'll learn how to start that comparison by using the Explore view. Look for the section near the top where your first search term is displayed. Right next to it, you'll see a plus icon or an option that says something like Add Comparison or Add Search Term. This is what lets you compare multiple keywords on the same chart. I'll show you the easiest way to add another keyword. Click the plus icon to open a new field for a second search term. In that new box, type in the keyword you want to compare with your first one. For example, if your first term was one product, you might enter a competing product name here. If your first term was a general topic, your second could be a related term or an alternative phrase you're considering. Once you've typed in the second search term, press enter. Google Trends will update the chart automatically. Now you'll see two lines in different colors on the same graph. Each line represents the relative interest in each term over time based on the filters you have set. I'm going to walk you through how to read this comparison. The vertical axis shows relative interest from 0 to 100. Where 100 is the peak popularity of that term in the selected time and region. The horizontal axis shows time. Peaks and valleys in the lines represent changes in interest. Higher lines mean more search interest. You can hover your mouse over the graph to see exact values for each term at specific points in time. From here, you can adjust the location, date range, and other filters at the top to refine your comparison. For example, you might compare how the terms perform in different countries or over the past year instead of the past month. That's all you need to compare search terms on Google Trends. Go to trends.google.com, search a keyword, click Explore, use the plus icon to add another search term, and press enter to see them side by side.